Welcome to our roundup of the best car amplifier wiring kits, essential installation packages designed to provide the power, grounding, and signal connections needed for a reliable and high-performing car audio system. Whether you're installing a new amplifier, upgrading your vehicle's sound system, or building a custom audio setup, a quality amplifier wiring kit can make a significant difference in performance, safety, and installation convenience. Modern amplifier wiring kits come with power cables, ground wires, RCA cables, fuse holders, connectors, and installation accessories that help ensure proper power delivery and signal transfer. Many kits also feature oxygen-free copper wiring, durable insulation, corrosion-resistant terminals, and high-current fuse protection for improved reliability. Choosing the right amplifier wiring kit can improve amplifier efficiency, reduce electrical issues, and help maximize the performance of your car audio system. Let's take a closer look at some of the best car amplifier wiring kits available right now. Starting with the Lage Audio Car Amplifier Wiring Kit. This model is a great option for users looking for an affordable installation solution with practical components and dependable performance for entry-level audio upgrades. It typically includes essential installation accessories such as power cables, ground wires, RCA connectors, fuse holders, and various mounting hardware needed for amplifier installation. Many versions feature flexible cable insulation that helps simplify routing through tight vehicle spaces while maintaining durability. The included wiring components are designed to provide stable power delivery and reliable signal transmission for everyday audio systems. Its complete package helps reduce the need for purchasing additional installation accessories separately. Additionally, it delivers dependable electrical performance and consistent connectivity during operation. It also improves installation convenience, enhances system reliability, and supports basic amplifier upgrades effectively. Next up is the Rookerhop Car Amplifier Wiring Kit, a versatile and dependable option designed for balanced performance, durable construction, and convenient installation across a wide range of car audio applications. This model typically includes high-quality power cables, RCA interconnects, fuse protection components, and installation accessories that help create a complete amplifier wiring solution. Many versions feature durable insulation materials designed to resist wear, heat, and vibration commonly encountered in automotive environments. The cable design helps support stable power transfer while minimizing signal interference during audio playback. Its organized kit layout also simplifies the installation process for both beginners and experienced users. Additionally, it provides steady electrical performance and reliable system connectivity across different setups. It also improves installation flexibility, enhances durability, and supports consistent audio system performance. Moving on to the Recoil True Car Amplifier Wiring Kit. This model is known for its premium construction, quality materials, and dependable power handling capability for more demanding audio installations. It typically features oxygen-free copper wiring that helps improve conductivity and reduce power loss between the battery and amplifier. Many versions include heavy-duty fuse holders, premium RCA cables, and durable connectors that support cleaner signal transmission and improved system efficiency. The high-quality cable construction is designed to handle higher current loads while maintaining long-term reliability. Its professional-grade components make it suitable for enthusiasts seeking stronger amplifier performance and more dependable installations. Additionally, it delivers efficient power transfer and reliable signal quality during operation. Stepping up in performance, the TOPSDRONGGR Car Amplifier Wiring Kit offers a strong balance of heavy-duty construction, high-current capability, and comprehensive installation support for powerful aftermarket audio systems. This model typically includes thick-gauge power cables, durable grounding wires, premium fuse protection systems, and high-quality RCA interconnects for improved performance. Many versions are designed to support larger amplifiers that require greater current flow and stable voltage delivery. The robust cable insulation helps protect wiring from heat, abrasion, and environmental wear during long-term use. Its complete installation package provides most of the components needed for a professional quality amplifier installation. Additionally, it delivers strong electrical performance and dependable system reliability under demanding conditions. Taking the top spot is the Boss Audio Systems KIT2 Car Amplifier Wiring Kit, a highly popular and well-rounded option designed for maximum installation convenience, dependable electrical performance, and broad compatibility with a variety of amplifier setups. This model typically includes power cables, ground wiring, RCA cables, fuse holders, terminals, and installation hardware in a complete package that simplifies amplifier installation. Many versions feature quality cable insulation and durable connectors that help maintain stable electrical connections and reliable signal transmission over time. The kit is designed to support a wide range of amplifier power levels while providing the essential components needed for a clean and organized installation. Its user-friendly package makes it suitable for both first-time installers and experienced car audio enthusiasts. Additionally, it delivers reliable power transfer and consistent system performance during everyday operation. All of these car amplifier wiring kits serve different needs depending on cable quality, installation requirements, and amplifier power levels. The Lache Audio Kit offers affordable installation convenience and practical functionality. The Rookerhop Kit provides balanced performance with durable construction. The Recoil True Kit delivers premium materials and improved electrical efficiency. The Tiopi SDRONGGR kit offers heavy-duty performance for more powerful audio systems. And the Boss Audio Systems KIT2 stands out as the most versatile and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best car amplifier wiring kits, from budget-friendly installation packages to premium wiring solutions designed for high-performance car audio systems. Whether you're installing your first amplifier, upgrading an existing setup, or building a more powerful sound system, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which wiring kit you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car audio reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and get the most out of your amplifier with the right wiring kit.